Hello all. In this video we are going to learn how to execute our tasks or commands or playbooks on a remote EC2 machine. So in this video I'm just logging into the AWX tower which we created earlier. So I'm going to use a EC2 machine and I'll try to connect my Ansible tower to EC2 and execute the commands, and I'll show you how I'll manage EC2 over Ansible tower. So let me log into our tower first. So once you logged into your Ansible tower the very first time, this is a dashboard page, and these are the like jobs, whatever you want to schedule, any schedules, and you will get some default cleanup schedule jobs, and if you want to create, you can create some jobs. And for to manage a EC2 machine, I have a EC2 over the public IP. This one, I'm just copying this public IP. I already connected to this EC2 using this shell. I just want to show you Docker is already installed. If I type Docker info, I'm able to see this information. So let me execute these commands from Ansible tower. So right now I'm in Ansible tower. So just go to the host. So add a new host. In my case it is of EC2 instance. You can even set direct IP address and even in the description as a EC2 instance, so easy understanding. If you have any custom variables you want to set for this, I mean to say like host variables, you can set here. In my case I don't have any variables, I'm just saving this info. So this host is enabled and this is the IP address, and if you want to gather facts you can add anything, and if you trigger any jobs it will print all the jobs which are tied to this host like that. Right now we are not done any grouping, so no groups. So let's back to host. This is my host and it is enable. uh, if you want you can disable like this. For now I'm just enabling my EC2 machine only. So to test whether our Ansible tower is able to connect to this machine and execute, you can check from inventories, go to our demo inventory. Actually we didn't added any inventory, so that's why it tagged to the demo inventory. If you have any customized inventory, you can at the creation time you can map to that inventory. So right now we are in demo inventory. Go to the demo inventory, select the host, the one which we added just now, select this one, and here you have an option called run command, execute run command. It is of type Linux, so you can choose Linux related thing. If you're working on Windows you can go with Windows. So for now I'm trying to execute a command on my Linux machine to check the Docker information, Docker info. If we want we can set more verbose model. Right now I'm going with 0 only, normal verbose, and limit to only one EC2 machine, and I don't need any privilege escalation. With EC2 user I'm able to run this command docker info. So the very next thing, execution environment. By default you will get these two. If you want you can add few more environments. In my case I have only these two. I'm just selecting the first one. Next, credential to access this machine. So I already added a credential. I mean to say the SSH key. I'll show you that. So just back, cancel this. You have option for credentials. Here in demo credentials I added a machine credential. If you want to add new, I'll show you that as well. EC2, and credential type is we have these many options. Amazon Web Service access, secret access we can set. We can set different options. So right now I'm going with the machine credentials because to access the EC2. So my username is EC2-user, and I don't have any password. I have the SSH private key. So let me upload my key. So once I uploaded my private key, I will save. If I have any privilege escalations or any other thing I can add, but right now I don't have. I'm just saving this. So my main credential is this. You see, as of now these are the things, and no, not mapped to any job template. Okay, go to the inventory as it is, demo inventory, and host our EC2 machine, select run command, choose module command, docker info command, and I choose of docker info 0 verbosity. This is the limit. Next, go to say default execution. I'm selecting, and credential. You see now I'm able to say EC2, and this is the preview. Like we are limiting this to, and this is the command we are executing. I mean to say module command module. So let's execute and see whether we are able to connect or not. So once this runs successful, just reload our output and we'll see this is the output. It able to connect to our EC2 over this IP, and this is the version, I mean to say the result. You see container 0 running pause, all this information it will print for you. So same we just now we print here, right? Client version 24 by default, all these things you are able to see from here. So this is how we are able to manage our EC2 or else any cloud machine from the Ansible Tower. That's all for this video. Thank you.